Homeo Guru. Please subscribe our channel, press bell icon to get continuous updates about new videos. Exam Oriented Video Part 58 MCQs. Plica polonica. Several bad cases permanently cured after borax and failed. Options: sulfur, tuberculinum, both of these and none of these. Answer: tuberculinum. Bleeding from cavity after extraction of tooth: hamamelis, creosotum, trillium pendulum, and all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Bleeding from cavity after extraction of tooth medicines are hamamelis, creosotum, trillium pendulum. Toothache from teeth ringing. Options: thuja, spigelia, creosotum, all of the above. Answer: thuja. Toothache from tobacco smoking. Spigelia. The urine has the odor of violets. Options: sarsaparilla, terebinthine, berberis vulgaris, and pteridion. Answer: terebinthine. Diarrhea from excessive smoking. Options: podophyllum, tobacco, opium, and pulsatilla. Answer: tobacco. Unwilling to answer questions, not from obstinacy but inaptness. Options: sulfur, sulfuric acidum, arnica, and baptisia. Answer: sulfuric acidum. Ailments from the abuse of metals generally. Options: plumber metallicum, sulfur, platina, oromate. Answer: sulfur. Convulsions without consciousness. Options: belladonna, cicuta, opium, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Convulsions without consciousness medicines are belladonna, cicuta, Hyos, and opium. Pupils dilate when child is reprimanded. Options: opium, ethusa, stramonium, and Hyos. Answer: stramonium. In fever, ravenous hunger for days before attack. Options: sorinum, staphysagria, sina, and all of the above. Answer: staphysagria. Feels unusually well day before attack. Sorinum. Leucorrhea. Profuse, running down to the heels. Options: alumina, colophyllum, both, and none of these. Answer: alumina. Leucorrhea profuse, running down to the heels medicines are alumina and syphilinum. The bad effects of ignatia are antidoted by options: coffea, tobacco, pulsatilla, and nux vomica. Answer: pulsatilla. Often cures lascivious when Hyos.fails. Options: belladonna, pulsatilla, phosphorus, and stramonium. Answer: phosphorus. In pertusis after Drosera has relieved the severe symptoms. Options: spongia, iodum, Cinna and chamomilla. Answer: cinna. Hard goitre cured after iodine failed. Options: spongia, bromium, tuberculinum, and conium. Answer: bromium. Red noses of young woman. Options: sulfur, pulsatilla, phosphorus, and borax. Answer: borax. Part around anus red. Sulfur. Sexual desire increased in women. Options: Arterians rubens, Lilium tick, both and none of these. Answer: both. The higher potencies most prompt and effective. Options: Calcarea carp, aurum trifilum, aurum met, and sulfur. Answer: aurum trifilum. Small boils in crops. Options: arnica, sulfur, rustox, and all of the above. Answer: sulfur. Painful boils one after another. Arnica. The least mental excitement causes profuse return of menstrual flow. Options: sulfur, pulsatilla, both and none of these. Answer: sulfur. The least mental excitement causes profuse return of menstrual flow. Medicines are sulfur, tuberculinum, and calcarea carb. Thank you.